Hey guys, it's Saving with Shay, and I am here for our midweek video for you guys. So listen, for my midweek, I need 10 rebates for $5. I'm also tracking for the larger bonus, which is called what? Is it Rodeo something? Rodeo Riches, okay? And for that, I still need like almost 20. So I don't think I might be able to tackle that today. So we'll definitely be hitting that with the weekend. So for today, I'm just trying to get this popped up on Ibotta literally like this afternoon, and I wanted to toss it on to this video. It won't be a part of my breakdown because I've already done everything, but I wanted to mention it because I know it's not going to last long. And so for this, we're going to go ahead and grab the Airwick Essential Mist. It's only on the one count, it's not even scanning for these. Matter of fact, it's not even scanning for this one. I had to submit the item on Ibotta. So we're gonna grab one, price at $10.48, and then get back $9.98 on Ibotta. So it'll make it only 50 cents. Literally, I was really hoping that this one would work because I really wanted this one over this one. And so I'm thinking though, well, it does say just one pack though. Yeah, it says single diffuser pack only. So yeah. Anyway, so yes, if you're new here and it's your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you smash like buttons. Support your girl. Make sure your post notifications are still on as well. So without further ado, let's head into Walmart and see what kind of awesome deals. All right, so my first deal is gonna be on the Just Egg. It is priced at $4.98. This deal I got from Cynthia over at Keep Calm Couponing. All right, so it's priced at $4.98. You're gonna get that back on aisles, making this absolutely free. And so hey, my next deal is on the Coke. Aren't you guys excited that this popped up on Ibotta? I was like, what, Ibotta? What? You giving us free Coke? Anyway, so listen. So it's priced at $2.08. Bam. We're gonna grab 4 of them. We'll end up paying $8.32. We'll get back $1 for each on Ibotta, and then it's also $7 on Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, Archidom, making this a $2.68 money maker. Right, this next deal is on the Lamberg rice. It's organic. It's priced at, well, there's 3 different flavors. I got this deal from Save with Eunice. If you're not following her, you better go follow her. It's an aisles deal. It's not a freebie, but it's really cheap. So we're gonna grab one of them. If you wanna grab this one right here, priced at $4.94, you'll get back 5, making that absolutely free. I'm gonna probably grab the Jasmine because I don't think I'm gonna like the Wild Blend or that one. So we're just gonna go ahead and just pay $1.27 for this bag, which is gonna be pretty awesome because it's a nice size bag. What is it? 32 ounces, 2-pound bag of rice. Oops, almost dropped it. $1.27, which is not bad considering you have these other ones where you're getting less for more. So yeah, not a bad deal. I'll have a link for you in the description. All right, this next deal is another deal that I got from Miss Cynthia over at Keep Calm Couponing. It's on the Blake's seed-based snacks. You can either grab the chewy granola or you can grab the crispy treats. So either one you want to grab, you'll end up getting that back through aisles. I'll have a link for you in the description box, making this absolutely free. So this next deal is going to be on the Craters. I think that's how you pronounce it. Craters. They are priced at $3.66. You're going to grab one of them. You'll be getting that back through aisles. I'll have a link for you. So it'll make this absolutely free. Alright, so this next deal is on the Undercover Chocolate Quinoa Krill. I did it in my last video, but I did not do in-store. They're priced at $3.13. Oh, snap. Oh my gosh. Y'all didn't see that. You didn't see that. Oh my gosh. Okay. Whew, a little heavy-handed. Huh. So, they're priced at $3.13. This is a free offer on aisles. You have to buy 2 different flavors though. I got the one with the sprinkles, and I got the regular one. I tried them in my last video. These were surprisingly a lot better than I thought. I was like talking mad mess. They look like poop with sprinkles, and but they were actually surprisingly really good. And so I'll have a link for you in the description box. Basically, you gotta buy 2 different flavors, and then you're gonna get all of that back through aisles. Yeah, I actually really love when you can try new things for free. It kind of hits different when it's free, But if it's not good, it's still not going to be good whether it's free or not. So I'm just saying. But anyways, grab it if you have it at your stores. Alright, so the next deal that we're going to do is on the Knoppers. They are priced at $3.66. You want to go ahead and grab a total of 2 of them. You'll end up paying $7.32 out of pocket, but you'll get back $1 for each on Ibotta. There's also 430 kicks on Shopkick, which is $172. And then of course $3 on Swagbucks. My points inbox are ta-da, bringing them down to only 30 cents per pack. And I have yet to try these, so maybe I'll try them at the end of this video. You guys, they still only have the cow bags. I'm so over this. Like, I want the red bag so bad, but hopefully they'll have them at the other store. I'm surprised this one is going so long, y'all. Like, why can't the ones we really want go long? Like, there's rebates that were just fly-by-nights, like the Olay. Remember, was it the Olay? Yeah, it was Olay and Old Spice. Those went overnight. But this one here has been there for like weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks. And I'm all chooped out. So we're going to grab one at $2.94. Again, we're getting back what? We're getting back $360, right? We're getting back so we're going to get back 900 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.60. It'll make this a 66 cent. Definitely continue to keep an eye on your yogurt section, because I still see a lot of yogurt on clearance. So yeah, so these are all on clearance. This one here is 59 cents, and then we have $1 back on Ibotta. It's a limit of 5 too, so that one would be like a 41 cent money maker. And then this one is 76 cents, so that one would be a 24 cent money maker, and this one would be 6 cents. So I'm thinking of go ahead and grabbing these 2 here, this one here, and then 2 of these, and they'll all still be free. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Activia. I talked about it in my last video, y'all, but I totally forgot to grab it. And so we're gonna grab one. It's a 4-pack price at $2.98. You're getting back $1 on Ibotta. There's $1 on coupons.com, Alexa, Shop Me as well. I think I have it on Tada as well. All right, so this next deal is on the Coca-Cola Ultimate. It's on the 10-pack. These are like the little mini cans. They are priced at $5.88. Now for this, you can't just buy one. I'm gonna grab 4, let me just be honest. But if you want to just grab 2, go ahead and grab 2 at $5.88. You end up paying $11.76 out of pocket. You'll get back $2.75 for each on Ibotta. Plus there's $4.50 on Swagbucks. My points inbox are ta-da. It'll bring them down to 88 cents each, which is definitely not bad. But let me show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just max it out, because y'all know I like to max stuff out. So we're gonna grab 4 of the 10 packs, again $5.88, and 4 of the 20 ounce, which are again $2.08. So all 8 products are going to come to $31.84. We'll be getting back $2.75 for each of the 10 packs on Ibotta, $1 for each of the bottles, plus a 50-cent bonus for buying the 2, which is $15.50 from Ibotta. And then we'll get back a total of $9 for the 10 packs on Swagbucks, and $7 for the 20 ounce on Swagbucks, so a total of $16 back. So it'll make each of these only 4 cents, y'all. 4 cents. So yeah, that's why your girl is maxing it out. All right, so this next deal is going to be on the Airborne. It is priced at $7.74. Now for this, I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of them. I'll end up paying $15.48 out of pocket, and then we'll be getting back what? We'll be getting back $2 for each on Ibotta. And then there's also $5 for buying 2 on Swagbucks. My points inbox are ta-da. There's also $3 on Alexa and Shop Me as well, making it 24 cents. I'm telling y'all, y'all gotta check expiration dates, because this one, I pulled from the back, and this one's expired, y'all. Look at that. 9/23. That's one about to expire next month. These are expired. These right here, 10/22 expired, and I pulled from the back. All these are expired. 9. So these all expired 9/23. I mean, yeah, 9/23. These are expired already. Okay, well, I guess you're gonna get this one. Okay, I guess we're gonna get these. Okay, they say pull from the back. I pull from the back, and I got some that's even older than the ones in the front. So always check expiration date, y'all. Seriously. This deal is on the Digestive Advantage. This deal I got from Couponing with Tisa. It's priced at $8.97, getting back $5 on Ibotta. We're also going to be getting back $3 on Alexa or Shopmium as well, bringing this down to only 97 cents each. Definitely check Brand Club for surveys as well. All right, so this next deal is going to be on the Move Free. I got this deal from Check It Out with Michelle. These next two deals actually, and so we're going to grab the Move Free. It's priced at $18.87. We're going to get back $5 on Ibotta. There's also 10 on Shopmium as well as Alexa, bringing that down to $3.87. And so yeah, I think I had it on Tada too as well. This next one is on the Mega Red, priced at $10.37. For this, we're grabbing it and we're getting back $5 on Ibotta. There's also 5 on Shopmium or Alexa, bringing that down to 37 cents. Okay, so this deal, I think I saw the sisters share this, Sister Saving You Cents. It's on the Excedrin head care. It's on the 6 count, which is priced at $4.68. My store is out. So we're gonna grab one of these. We'll be getting back 825 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.30, and then there's $1.50 on Alexa and Shopmium as well. Making this a 12-cent moneymaker. All right, the next thing that I'm gonna grab is gonna be on the Neutrogena makeup wipes. It's on the 21 count. It's priced at $5.96. For this, we're gonna grab one, get back 3 on Ibotta, and then there's also $3 on if it would only swipe on Shopmium as well as Alexa, making that a 4-cent moneymaker. Now, I checked online prior to coming and I did not see the blush at this store, but they actually have it. All right, it's priced at $6.97. I'm getting back 4 on Ibotta, and then there's also $5 on coupons.com on Shopmium or Alexa, making that a $1.03 moneymaker. I'm telling you, sometimes you can't really rely on the app. I mean, it's good sometimes, but all right, guys, so here is my complete haul for you guys for today. This worked out so freaking amazing, so amazing, you guys. And I love the fact that I have a lot of food. Now, I know some of you guys are like, sis, boo, that's not food, but to me it is. And so I'm happy about this haul because a lot of the stuff I can eat, which is awesome. Plus I get to try some new things. So yeah. So really quick though, I did have 5 IO deals from Isles. The Craters, the Blake's Chewy Bars, the Jasmine Rice, the Just Egg, and I also had this one here, the Icelandic Provisions Yogurt. I didn't get the red ones because those were $141. I was just like, girl, you have so much yogurt at home, don't pay for it. So I didn't get those. They were bringing up for $141, so I had to void that one off. I submitted the receipt for this one through Isles. I'll have a link for you in the description. And they actually gave me back $141 for the voided one, which I was expecting they would give me the 76 cents back for the coconut one, but I got back the $141 on that. And then as far as Brand Club, I had Brand Club surveys for all 4 products here: Mega Red, Move Free, Airborne, and the Digestive Advantage. I've done 2 of the 4 surveys already. I did a Digestive Advantage, but for some reason it didn't go through, but it counted towards 3. So I have 2 more I have to do today. And then what else? Yeah, that's it with Brand Club. So I'll be getting back an extra $6.10 for that. I only submitted on Tada today, so I want to do everything on 1 receipt, which is cool. I did 2 receipts I can show y'all. And I don't be showing receipts because your girl be having a book of receipts. So it's like, what I'm going to do? Flip through the book of receipts for you guys? Yeah, so my goal is to do less transactions, to be honest. I'm trying to do less transactions, and so I only did 2 today at 1 store, and all of the deals I did on Tada, the Coke, everything, Knoppers, I actually had all of these rebates on Tada as well. Neutrogena, both of those, Mega Red, Move Free, Airborne, Digestive Advantage. I thought I had the Activia on there as well, but it wasn't there when I went to submit my receipt. The Coke had disappeared after I bought it. I put a ticket in, and then one of you guys let me know it popped back up. So I ran back and submit my receipt, which is cool because I had forgot the Knoppers. And so all of my receipts are pending. I think the only thing that did go through was the 10 packs. That's the only thing that went through for me on Tada. Everything else is still pending. And so, yeah, other than that, this was an awesome haul. I didn't have not one single coupon. And so everything you see here retails $132.70. I got back $52.50 from Ibotta, $49 from Tada. Shopkick was $5.20. Shopmium is $29. Alexa's $29. Isles is $20.30. And all of them went through already, except I'm still waiting for the provision one to go through. And then Brand Club is $6.10. All right, so we walk away with a total of $191.10 back in rebates, which is like, why don't you do rebates? I understand that we paid $132, but we got back $191. Of course, we're rolling rebate money with our PayPal card. That's what we do. Our Cash Out with Walmart gift cards and use that. Never using our own money. That's how we do it. That's how you do it. You're never paying your own money. All right, but you are paying that out of pocket. It makes everything you see here free, plus a $58.40 moneymaker, which is so freaking awesome. Almost $60 we made here for this, you guys, which is just crazy, right? And so other than that, what else did I want to mention really quick? Oh, really quick, I did post a video yesterday about Tada. A lot of you guys were saying that, I mean, I agree. I don't feel like we should have to give them our information. And then some of you guys are saying that's their way of cutting down on people having multiple accounts. With Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, and y'all, with them, I can't handle no more than one account, to be honest. Brand Club, no. I can only handle one. Like, some of the apps, I wouldn't even try to have multiple accounts because it's just too much. Brand Club, it's too much to have two. Why would I want to have two accounts, you know? For real, like some of these apps, like, dude, I could barely deal with the one that I got, like, let alone have more than that. So as far as the accounts I have multiples of, I do have 2 Shopkicks, which I haven't used Joseph's account in forever. I have 2 Checkout 51 accounts, which I use. I use mine's more than, no, I use his more than mine, but I do use. And I have 2 Fetch, which I haven't been using his account. I use mine's more than anything. And then I think that's basically it. But some of these apps, you guys, like, I get it. You guys want to have these extra measures and stuff, but I don't feel like we should have to give you our personal information for it. I'm not cashing out via PayPal for Tada, so why should I need to show you my driver's license? You know what I mean? I shouldn't have to. And so other than that, you guys, I will leave it there. If you guys have any issues, questions, concerns, I would love to hear about it in the comments. What is your favorite deal this week, though? Mine's, all of this is my favorite deal because it all made me money. So everything here, the Coke, yes. The rice, yes. All of the yogurt we've been getting, yes. Those craters I'm about to try, yes. Other than that, I hope you guys are having the most amazing day, night, whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.